1989 Sea Ray Sundancer, installing UFO TV antenna. Have downlights there, so I've thread the cable through. We'll put a hole up in here through to the UFO antenna up there, going through the targa over to that side, then getting it down through there, then feeding it down through into that part. The secret to be able to get at it down there, it's very difficult, is my friend Adrian found there are little screws tucked in. See, they're tucked in behind the material, and the same up here. So it's not a pop in, pop out, just to be able to get your hand in there, and if you want to remove it completely. Now he's tied a coat hanger to and taped it to try and pull it through a small hole there, so we can eventually feed it back up through, down through into the cabin, the power box underneath, and back through to the back of the TV inside the cabin. But that's the secret, these hidden screws behind the material to get it out, and patience. Thank God my mate AJ's down from the territory, he knows about it all. Good luck.